Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can connect FPTX Tech to MetaTrader. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to the official website of MetaTrader. You can just search for MetaTrader on your search engines, or if you're on your mobile devices, you can head over to Google Play Store, App Store, or the App Gallery. From here, you then want to download the official application, and then you want to navigate through your FPTX Tech account. Inside this page, you then want to get the credentials for your trading or investment account. Now, your investment account credentials is going to be different than the FPTX account right here. So you want to get the account credentials and then head over to the MetaTrader application. Once inside this page, to add their account, click on File, click on Open an Account, and inside you then want to search for your company or broker. In our case, it's going to be FPTX right here. Unfortunately, that specific broker is unable or is restricted on my region, so I cannot see that right here, but you can just search for any broker inside this page and you will be able to find it using the search engine. Now, let's say that this is the selected broker right here. Inside this page, you then want to click on the connect with an existing trade account, enter your login credentials, your password, and below that you then have your server. So you will get all of this information once again inside your account dashboard. So just check it out, enter it right here and the server, and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.